Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. It's me again, Jen, and I'm going to teach you how to make tuna corn pasta. This is a simple, quick, and budget-friendly recipe that you can enjoy with your family. So let's start. First, we're going to cook the pasta. Here we have 6 cups of water and we're going to bring it to boil. It's now boiling, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. I prefer to use Fusilli pasta for this recipe, but if you have other kinds available at home, like macaroni, that's fine too. Cook the pasta according to packaging instruction. This is done, so I'm going to turn off the heat and drain the pasta. Then I'm going to set it aside. Next, we're going to heat a wide pan over medium heat, and I've put in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Saute 3 cloves garlic and 1 medium onion chopped. I'm going to saute this until soft and translucent. You can see that the garlic has turned light brown and the onions have sweat and fragrant. I'm now going to add 1 can of tuna flakes. So I'm not including the sauce or the water from the tuna. I drained it earlier. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 1/4 cup corn kernel. I'm just gonna give it a nice stir and continue to cook. Now I'm going to pour 1/2 cup of all-purpose cream. Bring to boil and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Lastly, I'm gonna season it with salt and black pepper. Stir it again, then turn off the heat. Here I've put the pasta in a serving plate and I'm going to pour over the creamy tuna sauce. I'm also going to sprinkle some parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. Now it's time to eat. So that's our tuna corn pasta. I hope you like this recipe. You can try it as well if you want to elevate your canned tuna into something delicious. Try this recipe, and if you have any suggestion that you would like me to do on my next video, comment it below. To be updated, follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1, and don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. Please visit our website as well. Go to www.pagkaingpinoytv.com so you can see the full recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!